Hey everybody, Chovy back here with another video. This one is just a recap of the last 2 days. Nimiq's not really doing much. It's kind of just going sideways. We'll take a look at that. And then we'll see how the other ones are. Nimiq 1561. It's a 15-minute chart. I was hoping for a little pump tonight, but not going to get it. Here's the 1 hour. This was on the 6th, which I think was my last video. And then we're consolidating. So we're staying sideways here the last couple days. The last 24 hours. So that's a good sign. This is gonna hopefully go up in the next day or two. The other thing is Bitcoin hit an all-time high yesterday at 40, almost hit 42. It was at 41,950. So that's crazy. It looks like it's pumping right now. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it's gone up a little bit. So looking at this 1 hour, hard to say what it's going to do. It's probably going to go retest, maybe break through, and we'll be at 42. Which is crazy. I don't even fucking own any Bitcoin, but if I did, I'd be happy right now. As it seems to be shooting up pretty good. DOT, on the other hand, not doing so well. This is a 1 hour chart. It just dropped quite a bit. Excuse me, it's 6:30 a.m. I haven't gone to bed yet. This is 7 a.m. 6 a.m. So 24 hours it's been going sideways. So that's good. I think we're at the bottom here and consolidating, slightly upward trend. Again, I don't even really know what any of this shit means. I just been watching these charts since 2011, and you kind of get familiarized with the patterns. Let's see, what else can we look at? Let's look at Nimiq. 24 hours. So Bitcoin's down 0%. Nimiq's up 4.5%. So that's good. Nimiq's beating Bitcoin right now. Even on the 7-day, we're still ahead. So I got all my stash in Nimiq right now. Let's check live coin watch. Something I just discovered. If you go to trending, you can see what's happening over the last 24 hours. Some of these coins are pumping. I don't recommend buying into these ones that like are flat and then go up in a short amount of time. I recommend these steady ones like this one, steadily going up. Tomo. I don't know what Tomo does, but it looks pretty steady. This one's not too bad. VThor. Yeah, I don't know what any of the shit coins do. You'll have to do your own research. Honestly, there's only a few that actually provide any real utility. I think the rest is just pumpers and dumpers and people hoping to get rich. Biggest winners today, 110%, MPXS. Really low price there. Excuse me, let's look at the chart. See what it's doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, another shit coin. Yeah, look at that. Fuck that. Stay away from that shit. You get in here, you're fucked. You're gonna get burned. What you want to look at is like the 7-day pumps. I know VGX has been around a while. So that's the 30 days. Still pretty big, steep incline there. Yaks. I think that's some. I don't know what that is. These are all shit coins. As far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't buy into any of them unless you feel that their project's actually underway, is actively developed, and provides value. Then you know. A friend told me about Nimiq about a year and a half ago. And I trusted this guy's opinion. Excuse me. He swore by it. And I looked into it. I was like, okay, this is cool. It's all JavaScript based. I like that. Here's the newest cryptocurrencies. This is what I was going to show you. You can kind of poke around, maybe find some hidden gems in there. Fast. What's this one do? It's already 94 cents. 30 days, big pump. Let's look at the all. Yeah, pretty new. That's the one day, I think, because these were added. Yeah, that was added. Fast was added. Oh, now it's gone. And FTX. So you're not going to get much chart data. This was added the other day. You want to look at markets, Uniswap. I have not. I should do a video on Uniswap, but I don't have any Ethereum. Because I don't really understand. Aside from maybe liquidity and lower fees and being decentralized, I'm not sure what else you use it for. So I kind of avoid the whole DeFi thing because I just haven't had time to research it and figure out what's what. And like I said, I got hacked, so I lost a lot of money on that one, and a little more careful now than I was. But what I was gonna say is look at the volume. It's a 24-hour volume, almost 2 million. That's pretty good. Those are good numbers. Excuse me, man, I'm tired. Let's see. So the thing they used to have, there's no data here. I don't like that. That means they didn't even complete the form all the way. Nothing on the subreddit, no fucking repos. So, yeah, somebody just added it without filling out all that information. It's too bad they can't just scrape it, but... Yeah, I mean, cool logos. I don't know what else you go by. There's just so many of them. Steampunk protocol. Debut shitcoin. Yeah, just be careful what you buy. I bought these. I was listening to Ivan on Tech. I don't know if you've heard that guy. Check him out, but he's got a fucking academy, which the academy actually looks pretty good. He's very heavy into that whole fucking marketing, like not good marketing, like wholesome marketing, but like that fucking swarmy marketing where he emails you over and over and over and over and over and over again, and then like one day you just get a coupon for 50% off. You're like, oh, okay, well, for that I guess I'll do it. Shit like that. I guess it works on some people. But anyway, check out his academy. If you're going to learn blockchain, I think he's a good place to start. He's got a 2 a.m. 2 a.m. my time. I think it's 8:30 a.m. wherever he is. He's in Sweden, Stockholm, I think. But I read some reviews on the guy, and he is kind of shilly. He just kind of tells you what shit coins to buy, and then he dumps his bag on you. So I got tired of it after about a couple weeks of listening to him every night. But I don't want to be that guy, so I'm not going to tell you what to buy. I'm just going to kind of observe what's going on. Mint. I used to own some of this shit back in the day. Holy shit, look at that. That's probably when I owned it up here. What else? You know what I had a lot of was Ruby coin. And I think I lost the keys. I think I bought it around here. What's it at now? All-time high $3. Oh, it's not even tracking anymore. 14 cents, yeah. I didn't have that much. Look at that, it's 14 cents today. All-time high was $3. I mean, you're basically doing penny stocks for 99.999% of this shit. What else can we look at? Exchanges. Compare. Yeah, I haven't played around too much with this. I was looking at this portfolio, so I don't have this many anymore. I only have 1 million, so I'll change that. That's more like it. I still have KLP, 23 cents. Let's look at what that guy's doing. Let's look at the 90 day. Huh, okay, so it's going up a little bit. Holy shit, it got us as 250. Well, I'm not gonna get rich off that one. So KLP, you can CPU mine, which is the only proof of work crypto on the Polkadot platform. But I had a 32 core Ryzen Threadripper CPU mining that shit for a month. And I had my fucking shit misconfigured, so it didn't mine for like 3 weeks. And then I realized I didn't set it up properly. Yeah, look at that. It's dropped off here in November. But yeah, I mined for about a week properly, and I got 160 of those things. So you could probably still mine it. I don't know if it's worth mining. It looks like it's fucking dead. But sorry, that's Zcoin. I was looking at the wrong one. Not much volume on these guys. It looks like they're off all the exchanges. But yeah, if you want something easy to mine, it does say mineable. One thing you could do is go to a site, go to Google first. Go to site.livecoinwatch.com and then paste that in, mineable. And so you'll get all the mineable shit. Let's look at the past week. Steampunk dark bundles, 13 cents. Let's look at the 90 day. It's not even been 90 days on the platform. Refactors. Looks like another shit coin. Yeah, you have to, when you're choosing what to mine, you have to look at like pre-mine. You don't want some pre-mined scam coin. And you have to choose one that uses like what protocol it uses. If you're gonna do CPU or GPU mining, you can rent GPU miners online. I know Amazon has them, but there's some cheaper places. Just Google like GPU mining rent, something like that. Pro mining. I use one of these. I forget which one I use. Hash core sounds familiar. Yeah, so you can rent that shit now. Yeah, I could not find. There's some sites like What to Mine, and they can tell you like what's profitable based on the exchange rate. Because what these guys do is they just pick the profitable coin and mine that one. So right now it's Ethereum. Raven coin's still being mined. But I look at this coin, it's like if you're stuck bag holding this thing, what the fuck do you do with Raven coin? Like what is it for? You have to kind of do your research on that. Raven coin, here it is. Transfer of assets, that's what they all do. 5,000 Raven. 1 minute instead of 10 block time. 21 billion instead of 21 million. So that's like Nimiq has 21 billion instead of 21 million. So let's see what their price is actually. I'm kind of curious now. Live. Because that could be an indicator of how much Nimiq could go up. So it's a 2 cents almost. Yeah. It's like the all-time high. So it got up as high as 6.8. So if Nimiq's at 7 cents, I would have $70,000 if it got that high. Not bad for a $5,000 investment. I really think Nimiq, if they do their shit right, the problem with Nimiq, and they have good tech, I think, and they have a good team, but they don't do any marketing. And I think, as a guy with marketing degree that went into CS, self-taught, I think, you gotta have marketing. You can't do without it. You don't need, the entire budget going to marketing, but you gotta do something. Let's see how they have a, nobody in there. Yeah, I think for Nimiq to hit 7 cents, it's gonna have to get some mainstream attention. But we'll see. It got up as high as 1 cent in the pump last July. Anyway, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Share the video. If you guys can do me a favor and somebody post it on Hacker News and Reddit. I'm kind of banned from both those places. I don't know why. I can't post anymore there. I didn't really do much there. But if you can share, that would be cool. And then Twitter and all that shit. You can always find my videos at chovy.com. Alright, see you guys. Peace out.